Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, outcomes of democracy. This is module 4. In third, we discuss about reduction of inequalities and poverty. Now here we will discuss accommodation of social diversity. Accommodation of social diversity. Okay. Now, you know that in India there are a lot of divergence, lot of different communities in means of caste, in means of religion, language, costumes, festivals. So how that can be arranged, how that can be adjusted, how that can be understood. So this is the thing that we will be discussing. It is a very difficult question to make everybody happy. That may be any part of the government. So what will be that? It is very difficult to make everyone happy or live a prosperous life. That may be any government, that may be the democratic, that may be even dictator, or that may be monarchy. It is a very difficult task. Okay. Now, so it means you have read that the example of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium and Sri Lanka, you have read that they amended their constitution 4 times. Sri Lanka, where rule of majority was there, even they changed their constitution. So it means these social differences that can be accommodated, that can be adjusted, that can be arranged, that is the best weapon, that is democracy. That is the democracy. Okay. So it means regular elections are held, the government are formed, the government works. But even then, there are some of the problems that always comes into the minds, that always come into the ways of the people, or that may be any of the government. Okay. Now, first thing, that is one of the important thing is there, rule by majority. Rule by majority. This is the first thing. What will be that? You know that any government who are in proper majority, that may be any, if they work according to the constitution and they also accommodate, they also adjust with minority, one of the important thing. Okay. Now first thing that we will be discussing, that the majority, rule by majority, you have read in first chapter about Sri Lanka. Okay. Now the one of the best thing is rule by majority always works with minority. This is one important thing. It means today the community, the government, the groups, the religion that are in majority, in coming time they may come into the minority. So it means they should adjust, they should take hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder, these minor groups also, so that the smooth running of the country. It is means because Sri Lanka have suffered, that they give maximum importance to Sinhalas and other communities, they agitated, they protested, and in the end they had to bend, they had to bow, and even they had to adjust their constitution. In the same manner, these majority groups, that may be any, they are to work with minority, because time never remains same. Today they are in majority, in coming time they may be in the minority also. So best thing is for smooth running, and it is the accommodation of social diversity, because any caste, any religion, any group, any individual who are in minor today, they may be in the majority also. Okay. Now second thing is there, rule by majority means that in case of every decision, every election, different persons and group may form a majority. You can see, rule of majority means the religion, the caste that are in full majority, they are maximum in number. Means that, for example, elections are held and a community or religion comes into majority. Elections are held and during that election they won the maximum seats, they form the government. And it means that is important thing, that democracy will favor every community, every religion, every caste. Because if majority is there, the person are given respect, the person are having dignity, and they are in the position, then rule of majority is one of the important thing. But they have to work with minority also. Any linguistic group, any social group, any caste, any religion, they had to work with minority. So these two are there that are very important, and these social differences, these social differences can be only accommodated by democracy. If individuals are not given importance, or they are barred. They are barred means they are banned. They are barred from voting or casting election. Voting or contesting election. Then it is not a social diversity. Because that person, that individual, that group, that community is banned, is prohibited. So this is not the accommodation of social diversity. We have to accommodate, we have to adjust, we have to understand these rule of majority for the smooth running of the country. Because these rule of majority works with minority. If minority and majority works, then the best outcomes are there. These are the different criteria, different domains are there that everybody has to follow. So these things are there that were the part of social diversity.